Hey guys, Ben here. Cedar Point has just released the craziest announcement out of the left field ever. They're releasing a tilt coaster called Sirens Curse. Well, it's close to Valraven across from Iron Dragon. Really cool twist drop, which I think is really cool. So then it also has on-ride audio. It says right here, it says, I'm pretty sure it'll start playing like some, I don't know, song when you're going up. Also, I like the color. It stands out. It's red, and they don't think they have one red coaster, right? No, they got two. Depends on how you want to count red. Maverick and this one now. And also Magnum. Like around 4 to 5 inversions. Let's see what it says. 13 weightless airtime moments. Because there's, as you right here, it's literally launches. It's going to launch you out of your seat. Then there's a quick time. Barrel roll. And then there's some nice sweeping. I think this is going to be awesome. 160 foot tall. That's fucking massive. Almost 200 footer. And 58 miles per hour, 360 degrees zero gravity, barrel rolls, and high speed triple down element. I think that's this, is it? No, it's, it wasn't this. I don't know. It's something like that. The name, Sirens Curse, it's cool, but it's a little weird. I would have rather to be a little, simpler. That's just a small thing. I'm not gonna complain because we're getting Wrath or Rosh Hashanah or whatever. I hate the name. I don't hate it, but I don't get it. I'm gonna have to get myself out to Cedar Point. This is just an update. 2025 Sirens Curse, the tallest, fastest, and longest tilt coaster in North America. I don't even know if there is a tilt coaster in North America. Don't even ask me. And it's gonna have on-ride audio. I think 4 inversions, a decent amount of airtime, and I'm just saying this drop looks insane. Yeah, that's it. Not much update video. I'm gonna start coming with updates, quick updates like videos or formats. So yeah, sorry about the long disappearance.